Good morning. Welcome to Big Strikes Cooking Now. Here we go. We're going to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich this morning. First thing we need, a plate, a knife to spread the peanut butter. This is fresh ground peanut butter with no additives, so that it's separated, so you got to kind of mix the oil in with it. Don't dump the oil out or the peanut butter is going to be very, very dry. Okay? This is from Publix. We have Smucker's Blueberry Preserves and Polymer All Fruit Concord Grape Jelly. No added sugar or anything. And Patrick's Farmhouse Hearty White Bread. So put one slab of bread on the plate. Now this isn't chunky peanut butter, it's just because it's just peanuts ground, nothing else. It's a bit on the lofty side. How much peanut butter you want? Does that look good to you? All right. So we're going to opt for the Concord Grape Jelly. Some people put it on top of the other piece of bread. I like to put it on top of the peanut butter. That way I get good coverage across the peanut butter. However you think you want it. Does that look good to you? There we go. This morning's freshly made peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Enjoy breakfast.